Hey guys, my name's Sean. I'm in Australia for some reason, and today I'm going to teach you a really cool variation on a basic false cut. Let's get into it. So here's the performance of the swing cut. The Jack of Hearts is on top and the King of Hearts is on the bottom. The basic false cut looks like this. It leaves you with the Jack on top and the King on the bottom. And that was the first false cut I ever learned, and then I made a variation on it. So Jack on top, King on the bottom. Here's the variation. A little bit more flair there. Still leaves the Jack on top and the King on the bottom. Let's get into the explanation. So here's the over-the-shoulder view for the false cut. Here's the Jack on top, King on the bottom. You're going to need to know this the swing cut position. So all it is lifting up a little portion of the cards with your index. So to start off, go ahead and swing cut. Oh, I'd say maybe a third of the deck into your hand, and you take that deck by grabbing it with the crook of your thumb here, like so. Lift up another portion as you bring this back, and it's going to contact the thumb here, and you're going to hold it with your ring finger. So you should have all three packets like this. From here, use the crook of your thumb again to take the middle packet, like so. And then you're going to turn your wrist over here to swivel this packet from the back here on top, and then you can drop this there. One more time, and that leaves the Jack here and the King here. One more time. Take about a third, grip it over here, break off another half, grab all three packets like this, so the one you just broke off goes on the bottom. Take the middle packet, swivel this one, and this goes on top. Here's the Jack and the King. One more time, we'll do it a little slower. Cut, break off, set it here. So there's the basic false cut. Now let's get into the variation I came up with. It looks like this. King and the Jack. So all that is the swing cut, or I'm sorry, the swivel cut, until you get to this position where you swivel this around. So once you swivel this around, keep your ring finger of your left hand in between the two packets. So you swivel this around, and I'm keeping my ring finger in there. So there's like a break, and from there I can hold it here. And then I take my right hand thumb, contact the left long edge of the packet being levered up by your ring finger, and I'm just going to pull sideways with it, so it's going to cause it to spin this way because of the fact that you're clipping it between these two fingers. So it's going to swivel like this. It's going to come right around, and I'm just going to use my thumb to kind of lever it over. So here, now it's going to flip over, and then from here I use my middle finger to push as my thumb kind of flips this packet over onto the pack, and then here this packet is being flipped over by the index pushing in and then letting go with your middle finger, so it just falls over like so. We got the Jack and the King. So one more time. Cut here, just like the first one. Take the middle. As you swivel, leave your ring finger in, like so. Come over with your thumb on the long edge. Spin it this way, right? Use your thumb to flip it over, and as it's flipping over, use this index to flip over the packet in your right hand, and that falls on top. Last time. Give you a front view here. Here's the first one. It's the basic one. And the variation. The Jack and the King. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure to like this video and possibly subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. I don't know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.